Everybody, George Skyther here, and welcome to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to put your new tire, like your new rim and your new tire and everything, on to your go-kart. So this is my go-kart, and the other tire, the other tube inside of the tire blew up, so I ended up buying a new tire, and it turns out just to be a perfect fit this time. So I don't have the wrong size tires. There we go. So you guys can see how the axle is like barely sticking out of the rim. And these are my old tires. Right here. These are my street tires. But their tubes blew up, so I ended up having to get new tires, and I actually got traction tires. So all you're gonna do is take your nut and basically screw it on. Wait here. Screw it onto your axle, and you finally get it on there. Hold on. Okay, I got it. So we're screwing it on, and you're gonna want one of these, and you're gonna want this, and you're gonna take it and you're gonna put it on there, just like so, and stick it through right here, and then just screw it on. But I'm not gonna need that yet because I don't have it like super tight yet. Basically, you're just going to want it super duper tight on there. Alright. So now, you're going to just want to take whatever you have, a hammer or one of these. I forget what it's called, but you're going to just want one of these, and hammer it around the axle just to make sure that it's all the way on there, super tight. And mine is, so wait, make sure you get it all the way on there. Okay, I got mine. So here is me. So I will come back with you guys and do the exact same thing that you just did with your other tire. And I will be back with you guys here in a second. Alright, so I've got both my tires on there. And I'm going to be doing a little ride for you guys. So once I get it fired up and stuff, I will be right back. Alright, so now I'm going to be driving it. Alright, here we go. Sorry guys, it is not warmed up all the way yet because it's been sitting out for a while, so here. Alright, now it should be good.